The MLS market data is coming in for the month of August, and I thought this would be a perfect time for me to resume my monthly market reports because we have gathered enough data now that we can interpret it and find out whether or not the COVID-19 pandemic is seriously impacting the real estate market in the greater Prescott area. So let's get right into the numbers for August 2020. There were 428 active listings in Prescott for the month of August. That is the lowest number of active listings in over a year. There were 205 new listings, 212 sold listings, and 190 pending sales. The median list price of homes coming onto the market, $449,500. The absorption rate for the month was 2.89, and just like the number of active listings, that is the lowest that number has been in over a year, and that indicates that inventory is low and there is a distinct advantage to sellers. Homes remained on the market an average of 3 months, 90 days, and the sold volume in Prescott, 104.15 million. Another indicator, because that number is up from last year, believe it or not, that in spite of the impact of COVID-19, the market in Prescott remains strong. Active listings in Prescott Valley were 170 for the month of August. That number remained virtually unchanged from the previous month. There were 133 new listings and 104 pending sales. The number of sold listings dropped to 118. That was about a 25% drop from the previous month, but again, that was up from last year. And the median list price of both new and active listings was $344,000. The absorption rate in Prescott Valley for the month of August was 1.63 months. That was the second lowest rate in over a year. Homes were remaining on the market, get this, an average of 39 days, moving very, very quickly. Sold volume in Prescott Valley was 42.7 million. That was a 20% drop from the previous month, but again, I will say it, it was up from last year. The majority of sales activity was seen in the $250,000 to the $349,000 range. There were 62 active listings in Chino Valley for the month of August, with 45 new listings, 52 sold listings, and 40 pending sales. The median list price for new homes coming on the market, $338,000. The absorption rate in Chino Valley, very close to that in Prescott Valley, 1.68 months. Very good news for sellers. However, the list-to-sale ratio did show that Chino Valley homeowners were negotiating a little bit more in order to sell their homes than they had done for the previous month. Homes were remaining on the market in Chino Valley for about 50 days, and the sold volume for the month of August, that was $15.15 million. Most sales were recorded in the $250,000 to $349,000 range. The month of August saw 65 active listings in Dewey-Humboldt with 41 new listings. That was an increase of 20% over July's numbers. The sold listings, however, decreased by 25% to 32, and the number of pending sales remained the same at 35. The median list price for new homes coming on the market was $329,900. The absorption rate, 2.23 months, a very good number and encouraging to sellers. Homes were remaining on the market an average of just 2 months, 60 days, and that, by the way, was a significant change, a significant drop compared to the previous 3 months. Sold volume in Dewey-Humboldt was 10.58 million, and that followed the same trend of dropping about 21% compared to July, but that number was still up over the same time last year. And sales were recorded mostly in the $250,000 to $299,000 range. My name is Ered Matthew with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, BloomTree Realty, right here in Prescott, Arizona. If you find the information in these market reports helpful, I hope you will show your support by hitting the like button for me and subscribing to my channel. I always appreciate your questions and your comments. If you would like to reach out to me directly, you can find my contact information in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.